Hi there, it's Azongo Ismail from Digital Productivity Tools and Skills, and in this video you will learn 3 ways to insert table in Microsoft Word. One of these boxes represents a column, so if I move to the right, that is now 2 boxes and 1 row, and I will now have 2 columns. If I move again to the right, I have 3 columns, 1 row. Now if I move down, I have 2 rows, and then I move down again, I have 3 rows. Now I have 3 columns and 3 rows. That is 3 by 3 table. So if you want 3 by 3 table or 4 by 3 table, whatever you want, you move that and you just click enter, and then you have your table inserted. And this is, we have 3 by 3 table. Another way we can insert a table, let me get this one away. Another way we can insert a table is to go to the same place and move down, and we have insert table. Now click on insert table, and here we have the table size, the number of columns you can select. So if I want 4 columns, so I click on this down arrow to increase that to decrease that to 4, and I click on the up arrow to increase that to 6 and 7. Now I want 4 by 4, so I clicked on this arrow, down arrow, to set the columns to 4, and then the number of rows I'll also change that one to 4. You better still, you can just take this off. You can use your backspace key and then press 4 and enter. Now we have the auto fit behavior. For this one, we look at the fixed column width and we've set it to auto. You can also have auto fit to content, and this allows you to have your columns fit the content. And then we also have auto fit to window, and this allows your column to fit to the window of your application. So when you are done, you click OK, and you have your table inserted. Now the last way to insert a table is just go to the insert tab on the tables group, click on it, then go down and see draw table. Click on it, and you see your cursor turns to this pencil. Then you just right click, hold and drag to where you want, to the size you want, and leave it, and you have the table. Now you can draw your columns and then your rows. So I want 3, sorry, so I want 3 columns, so I will just draw this. That is 3 rows and 3 columns, depending on the size you want. So that is how to insert tables in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video.